Ajit Pawar, 66 years old, six-time Deputy Chief Minister, was known to be an able administrator. He was also known to be tough in taking decisions and ruthless at times in his power play. His critics accused him of corruption. His supporters and admirers pointed out that he was a genuine regional mass leader with a ear to the ground, someone who had won election after election for close to 3 decades. Ajit Pawar leaves behind a big void, particularly in his party, the Nationalist Congress Party, where he had broken away from his uncle Sharad Pawar's shadow in 2023 and established himself once again as a leader of substance. Take a look at the life and times of Ajit Pawar, someone who never hid his ambition to become Chief Minister of Maharashtra one day, until fate tragically intervened.
Always the bridesmaid, never the bride. Ajit Pawar took oath as Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra 6 times, but never could climb the ladder any further. He made no bones about his ambition of becoming the Chief Minister at least once. One of the reasons for him breaking ranks with his uncle and mentor, Sharad Pawar, and splitting the NCP in July 2023 was his urge to come out of his uncle's shadow. The split itself came after a first bid at coup failed in 2019.
7 आमदार निवडून आलेले होते. 7 जणांनी निर्णय त्या बाबतीमध्ये घेतला आणि तिथं भाजपच्या बरोबर त्या ठिकाणी पक्ष त्यांच्या बरोबर तिथं गेले, म्हणजे सगळे आमदार पक्षाची मान्यता घेऊन तिथं गेलेले.
Ajit Pawar entered politics in 1982 when he was elected on the board of a sugar cooperative. His first electoral foray was in 1991 when he was elected to the Lok Sabha from Baramati. But he vacated the seat after Sharad Pawar became the defence minister in the Narasimha Rao government. He was elected as MLA from Baramati the same year and since then has been representing the seat, winning elections 8 times. Responsibility was shared. Sharad Pawar in Delhi and Ajit Pawar in Maharashtra, nursing the family bastion of Baramati in his uncle's absence. He woke up early, met his supporters and was accessible to people. That was how it worked till Ajit Pawar joined hands with the BJP. The gamble seemed to have backfired in 2024 Lok Sabha elections when Sharad Pawar's NCP-SP won big, reducing Ajit Pawar's party to just 1 MP. But within months, Ajit Pawar made a comeback, with the NDA winning a super landslide in the assembly polls. Within the NDA, flanked by 2 Hindutva leaders, Ajit Pawar was the odd one out. He was staunchly secular, objected to communal politics and fielded Muslim candidates.
छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर, महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले, राजर्षि शाहू महाराज ने सभी धर्मों और जातियों के साथ लेकर समाज की उन्नति का मार्ग हम सबको दिखाया है. हमें इसी विरासत को आगे बढ़ाना है.
The recent municipal elections were a wake-up call for Ajit Pawar. Despite a reunion from Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation to save their stronghold, the Pawars lost to the BJP. Even before that, speculation was rife about an impending merger.
एनसीपी-एसपी के विधायक, आपके सांसद, उनके सांसद, क्या साथ में आ जाना चाहिए?
कार्यकर्ताओं के कुछ जहां उनका थोड़ा बहुत विरोध नहीं रहा है, उस कार्यकर्ताओं के मन में वैसी चर्चा चालू है. कुछ विधायकों ने भी मेरे कान पे डाला कि
उनके एनसीपी-एसपी के और आपके भी
नहीं, उनके कि दादा साहब हमें भी साथ लेके चलो.
With the demise of Ajit Pawar, the NCP has lost a mass leader who was also a proven administrator. It may sound cliche, yet true, that the Ajit Pawar's death has left a void that the NCP cannot fill. Bureau Report, India Today.